Here is how to download all emails in Gmail. So let's get started. First, just open your browser on your laptop and then search for Google Takeout. Click on the first link, and here you have to ensure you've logged in with the account whose emails you'll want to download. So you can change this from the top right by clicking on it, and then you can switch your account or add another account. So for now, I'll leave it as this account. Now what we have to do is select Gmail over here. But before that, we have to deselect all the other options. So click on deselect all and scroll down till you find mail. So it's in alphabetical order. And this is the option. So just select it. Then here you can decide which mails you want to download. So if you click on this option, so currently this is the option which has been selected, and this includes all of the mails in Gmail. So if you want all, just click on OK. But if you only want specific emails based on category or labels, then you can deselect this option and then manually select whichever emails you want. For now, I'll just click on include all messages in mail and click on OK. Then scroll down, click on next step. Then here, don't change anything. So they'll send a link via email. Leave it as export once. The file type will be a zip file. And file size, you can leave it at 2 GB. Then click on create export. And it's done. So now in a few minutes, you'll receive a mail with the link. So here, the data is ready to download. So just click on manage Google Takeout request. Here, they've given us the total size. And if you want to download it, just click on download. You'll have to enter your password once. Then select the location of the download. You can rename it and then click on save. Now that the download is complete, just open File Explorer. Over here, we have the zip file and we'll have to extract it. Just click on it and click on extract all. Then click on this. So here we have the data and the file type is MBOX. And now to view the data, we'll have to convert this from MBOX to whichever format you want. So just go to your browser. Then here you can search for this and just try the first few websites and they'll work. So this is the only limitation, that the output format is MBOX, but there are various ways to convert it to CSV or Excel, and you can just try them online. So this is how it works, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.